So guys, welcome back to another video. For those who are new, a big welcome, and those who are here with me, thank you for still staying with me and supporting me. So today guys, I am going to be picking some hibiscus from a tree in a park close by where I am. So I'm always picking these hibiscus, so I'm going to make a tea and take home with me. So let's go home right now. So guys, now I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna be making some tea for blood pressure. For those who don't know, the hibiscus is good, very good for blood pressure. I've washed them already, so all I need to do is to take this green part off, and then we are good to go. So I'm only gonna need just 2 pieces to do it. So I'm gonna flip my kettle to boil, and I'm gonna get my teapot out. So guys, the kettle is still boiling, so here is my teapot. I'm gonna put this part in, then push down this part, and then turn where you see that little arrow. So guys, I'm gonna put my hibiscus in here, and I am gonna pour some hot water in. So this is good for high blood pressure, guys. I'm going to leave it for a bit, and then I'm going to add something else to it. Guys, look at it. I have a piece of ginger, so I'm going to smash it and put it in my kettle, so it gives it a little ginger taste. So guys, here we go. I am smashing it out in my mortar and pestle, and then I'm gonna add it to the tea. This way all the juice from the ginger will go straight into the tea. I don't want to boil it, guys, so here we are. So I'm gonna add the ginger, and leave it for 10 minutes or about that. And we'll get back to you. In the meanwhile, I'll put my cup to serve my tea. Guys, in the meanwhile, I'm gonna put my honey in, and this is a very good brand, 100% Australian honey. So you notice it's from the beekeepers over here, so it's organic, guys. So now I'm gonna pour my tea out. So this hibiscus is good for the lowering of blood pressure. So I'm having this before I go to my bed. This is gonna be the decoration of my tea. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Hope you will try this to lower your blood pressure. Google it, guys, it is very good. I've been using it. I have some dry ones in a little packet over here. Let me show you. I have some dry ones. These are the dry ones, guys. I'm always storing them, and I have some more here. Let me show you. Those are almost dry, but this is it, guys. See you in the next video. Hope you will try this hibiscus